Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when we said play music, call or text someone via Siri it shows sorry there was a problem with the app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution number 1. Turn on apps under cellular data. For that, go to settings and tap mobile or cellular data. Here, find the app that doesn't work for Siri and turn on it if it's turned off. Solution number 2. Turn off and turn on iPhone. Go to settings, tap general and tap shutdown. Drag the slider to power off. Wait for a couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. Solution number 3. Turn off listen for Hey Siri and turn on it. For that, first go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on Siri and search, and turn off listen for Hey Siri. After that, go back to iPhone home screen and force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. After the force restart, same goes to settings, tap Siri and search, and enable listen for Hey Siri. Solution number 4. Check the latest version of iOS. To check that, go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 5. Reset all settings. Go to settings, tap general and tap reset. Tap reset all settings. Put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.